is Chef Teebull back in the kitchen once again, and I'm starting a brand new series. This is going to be Teebull Recreates. I'm going to try my best to recreate different items off different menus from different fast food joints or different restaurants from around the world. Today I'm kicking it off with something off the Mcdonald's breakfast menu. I'm going for a double sausage muffin. Left out the egg because I don't order the egg at McDonald's normally, so I'm trying to make it the way that I would normally order the dish and replicate it the best way I can. So let's hop into that Mackie D kitchen and get cooking for this double sausage muffin. Okay, to prepare the meat for the patty, you want to take some pork mince. You want to give it a good squash together in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Bind it all together really good. Wash your hands afterwards because it is raw pork meat, and then set that to one side. It's as simple as that. That's all you need for the patty itself. So we're going to move on now into making the meat into the patties. So what you can see here, this is a piece of greaseproof paper on top of my cutting board. I'm going to pull off pieces of the meat and roll it into a nice ball. Try and keep all the balls uniform so you get the same size patties. I'm going to squash them into a nice round disc shape. Using the greaseproof paper will stop the patty itself sticking to the board when you try to remove it. That way you can just literally peel the paper off it when you're ready to fry it. So you'll now see me put down the tray of my air fryer, so that's how I'm going to be cooking these. If you've got an air fryer, brilliant way to cook anything like burgers and patties and stuff like that. All the fats drip off and it becomes a lot healthier and tastier. So this is the tray for my air fryer. I'm going to chuck them in, set the temperature and the time. They're going to take about 15 to 20 minutes on the middle shelf. Depends on the temperature your air fryer can run obviously, but that's what mine's going in for. And we're going to check back when they're done. Okay, you can see the colour change in these and they're bubbling away nicely. They're very close to being cooked, so we're going to go and concentrate on preparing the muffins. Okay, onto the muffins. Does not take a genius to work this part out. You want to cut the muffins in half. These are going to go in the toaster just for a minute or so, just nice and lightly toasted. Then we're going to slap some butter on them. Muffins are done, nice and easy. Okay, so while I was waiting for those muffins to toast, I took the patties out of the air fryer. I'm going to lay down a piece of that lovely plastic cheese, I like to call it, the orange square cheese. Put one of those on the top of the patties. Then it's just going to sit in the air fryer with the power turned off because it's still hot in there, and this will just melt the cheese beautifully on top. And then we're going to place our muffins onto the chopping board and start to construct this beautiful muffin. Right, you're going to see a clip in just a sec of the finished product. In my opinion, I made the patties a little thicker than they would be at McDonald's, but also in my opinion, I think mine tasted way better than they do at McDonald's, so that's a win. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see a certain dish from a fast food joint or a restaurant that I could try and recreate. Be happy to give a few things of your suggestions a go. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, turn on your notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.